Hello everybody. It's been a while since I've done a recent unboxing. I was down ill for the last 2 weeks, so I can talk today. So we have a package here. This one measures roughly a little over 20 inches by about 15 and 3.5. So dimensions are accurate, 21/16/4. So it's a pretty good sized box. I don't look it on video, but kind of things are loose inside. But this is the way it came. So this kind of gives it away on that corner, but and the description of the video will give it away. So, but I just had my razor. So I will link in the description the blog post. I'm just going to do the unboxing today. I'll probably plug it in and hook it to the computer, but I'll do a more in-depth review and teardown of this unit and other videos as I have the time. So yeah, I was watching this for a long time and then made an offer, and guy denied the offer, waited a couple more months, made offer a little bit higher, and he accepted. And it's always a gamble when you're buying these. So okay, shipped in factory packing, so let's open this up. There it is. He listed it as new, but it looks new. What do we have here? It's in a big box. So we get the standard kit. I think I got a few of these already. Just a little handy vac with accessories. Seriously don't think these are made in the USA. And they're all over eBay for cheap from Chinese sellers. So it comes with a spudger. And a USB cable. And packaging sealed, so I mean, maybe it is new. You can tell by the twist tie. It's only been twisted, looks once. Power cable. It's got a power supply. What do we have for voltages on the power supply? 24 volt. What's that? 3.75 amp. No adapters, but I've got adapters to try it. So let's get to the money shot. These are expensive. This is their 9th generation. This is their BPM Microsystems most current programmer. So let's make some room here. I will have to drop the tripod here. It's going to get shaky. There you go. That's a little bit better. I knocked the tripod over and broke my handle. So it happens. There it is. It still has the film on it. Look at that. See the connectors. This is a gang programmer, or they call it concurrent, I believe. So it can have 4 adapters. So it can do up to 4 chips, just like the one on the automated programming system, except for that's the 8th gen in the automated programming system. This is the 9th gen. You can see it right there, 9th gen. So this is manufactured 6/11/2018 or 6/4/2018. Yeah, I'll be definitely taking this apart. Let's plug this thing in and see if it hooks to the computer. Then I'll end the video there. Ooh. Okay, yeah. Yeah, the film hasn't been busted on this yet. So this is brand new. You see the film. It's not even been, it's stuck. It hasn't been peeled away yet. So I'm gonna stretch it and plug it in. Okay, we're plugged in. Yeah, these are $5,000-6,000 normally. Would I say it's value for the money at that price? No. Okay, we're plugged in. Make sure we're plugged in there. Power switch. I think there's a power switch. I'm going to need the USB, so. Okay, we are plugged in. I don't see a power switch. Now let's see if it's just silent. Something detected. I don't see no lights. That's let me unplug this. Let me grab an adapter here. Just snag an adapter out of this machine. Let's toss an adapter on here. Now we'll plug in and see if we get any activity on it. See any power? Okay. Double check my cord, make sure it's plugged in. Well, we don't get no power, I don't think. These are always a gamble. So, well, I'll try to light the software up. It did detect on the computer, so. Light up the BPM software. I don't think it's going to detect. I think that thing should have some sort of light or something. I think it's detecting it. But it errored out. So I'm not sure if it's just detecting the USB system. Oh, we got a power light. Yes, we do have a power light on the button. Bad place for that. So, yeah, I think it's gonna yell at me, say it needs registered. Bulk transfer failed, Win32, the smear phone timeout period expired. Yeah, it's detecting it as a 3900/0, but it's demo. Weird. Okay, unplug the USB port and plug it back in. Let's try it again. This is what happens when you gamble. Sometimes it works. Sometimes it don't. Sometimes you got to fiddle with it. But it powers up. So, but we should be getting some sort of activity. Yes, we do get activity. It does light up. Okay. Okay, it's giving me an error on the serial number because it's not print screen that. I think I'm going to have to write BPM and have them do the registration on this thing. Okay. Multiple connected sites require an IE update. In order to proceed, please disconnect all programmers from the computer, run VPN with only one programmer at a time, so the software can update the ID on each programmer. VPN will now close while the above action is completed. I think it's because I have multiple programmers on this, so I will screenshot this and I'll get these errors posted on the blog. I think I'm just going to do a new install of it. So that is it, guys. That's 13 minutes of just really nothing much. So, but just so you can have an example, let's grab a Zeltec. Unplug that one real quick here. Just so you can see an example of the size. So put those next to each other there. And then give you a sample. Where's the 1700 over here? That is the 1710. Gonna have to raise that up there. So that's the size comparison. So I don't know where Cotty is. We had a little scare with Shadow. She almost had to go to the vet. So she wasn't acting right. But that was only for like a day and a half, and she acted normal. So, but please like, subscribe. I will post the blog in the description. So if you want to see pictures, I always update the blog before I update the YouTube. So everything will be on the blog first, then I update YouTube. I make money on the blog. People make donations. I don't make anything hardly ever on YouTube here. So we'll catch y'all later.